Welcome. Today in front of me ODYS Thanos 10, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's first launch the Play Store application, and after that here in the search bar enter the Ampere, and now we should get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. Now just click here, yes I agree, pick close. Here tap to OK on the left down corner. And now we can see here the section with the information about our device temperature. In our case, that's 34 degrees. And also we can find here another information about our device level, health, capacity, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.